In the Coeur d'Alene area in North Idaho, the most peaceful area for fishing, boating, viewing wildlife, and bike riding is probably the Coeur d'Alene River Chain Lakes area. And so we're going to take a look at that today. I apologize for the bad, grainy drone footage. My drone finally crashed while I was cruising up and down the Coeur d'Alene River. It took a dive. But this place still looks amazing even with the bad footage. So let's take a look at it, shall we? What's up, guys? It's Bryan Ingham with Ingham Realty. Welcome to another episode of Enjoy Living in North Idaho, where I talk about and show you all of North Idaho. So if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. The location of the Chain Lakes is southeast of Coeur d'Alene. It's about 30 minutes to an hour to the Chain Lakes, depending on which lake you're going to. All of the lakes are off of Highway 3, between the 90 freeway and the 97 highway. The Coeur d'Alene River, which runs from the Silver Valley to Coeur d'Alene Lake, it's one of the feeder rivers, is 37 miles long, and it runs right through this area of the Chain Lakes. As the Coeur d'Alene River meanders through this whole area, it connects to 10 different lakes. We will look a little bit at them briefly. We could spend an hour talking about each one. But first, let me give you some of the activities people love to do here. First of all, I love boating the Coeur d'Alene River. Have done it many times. It's just a peaceful area where you get out on the lake or the Spokane River. It can get very crowded, but you get on this river and it's just very quiet and peaceful. And you can boat to a lot of the lakes because they have these inlets, these little tunnels that you can go under and boat on some of these lakes. And also a lot of these lakes have their own boat launches as well. But I usually never see that many jet boats around in these areas. You see more fishermen. This is a fisherman's paradise here with all these lakes in this river. And also because of the area is pretty quiet and peaceful and all this water, you got a lot of wildlife around, especially birds. Many a times I've seen bald eagles and hawks and all kinds of cool birds in this area just hanging out. You also have the Trail of the Coeur d'Alenes, which is a bike path that starts in Harrison and goes all along the river. And it's just a beautiful, peaceful spot to ride your bike and go along the river and by all these lakes and just have all the beautiful mountains and greenery and wildlife. It's a terrific spot to ride. All right, let's briefly look at these 10 different lakes. We'll start from west to east. So first you have Anderson Lake, which is right at the mouth of the Coeur d'Alene River in the town of Harrison. And it's a really great fishing spot. They've caught some really large bass there. And from there you have Thompson Lake and Blue Lake, which is a small private lake and only can get there by boat. Then you have Black Lake, which is kind of tucked into the mountains there. You can only access it by a dirt road. And it's a beautiful spot there. That's probably why there's a lot of homes on this lake. Nice view homes overlooking the lake, homes on the water, good spot for boating and all that. So Black Lake is probably one of the best chain lakes. Then you have Swan Lake, which is accessible right there from the Coeur d'Alene River. And then you have Cave Lake, which is right off Highway 3. You can see it because it's real big. It's actually the biggest of the chain lakes at 1,640 acres. Huge lake right in the middle of this valley. Just so beautiful and picturesque in this area. Right next to Cave Lake, You have Medicine Lake, which is also right off Highway 3 there, so you can see it from the road. Beautiful spot. Then up the river a little bit, you have Killarney Lake, which is another good size lake. So a lot of good activities you can do on that lake as well. And then the next one is Bull Run Lake, which is kind of a small swampy lake. But you do have access right there to the Trail of the Coeur d'Alenes. Lastly, Rose Lake, which is the closest to the 90 freeway. So a lot of people frequent this lake because of the easy access. Some of these lakes have their own boat launches, and so does the Coeur d'Alene River. So it's easy to get your boat out there on the water. I'm going to talk about the homes in this area in a minute, but first, if you guys are thinking about moving to the North Idaho area or a beautiful area like the Chain Lakes, please give me a call, send me a text or email. Would love to answer any questions that you have. I've been helping people buy and sell real estate for over 20 years now, and I'd just love to guide you. All right, let's look at the different home types in the area. So you got a lot of view homes in the area because of all the views, looking at the different lakes and the river running through the valley. And so a lot of nice view homes. And then some of these lakes, like I said, have some waterfront homes. Here's some nice waterfront homes at Black Lake. You got your own docks. You can cruise around the lake. And again, cruising up all this river, you got so much boating. You can boat right into Coeur d'Alene Lake, and you got all these access points to a lot of these other lakes. So it's a great place for boating. And throughout this whole valley that the Coeur d'Alene River runs through, you have a lot of acreage properties. So homes just spread out and just enjoying the beauty, the peace. It's not a very well populated area. It's a very rural area. So if that's something you're looking for, this might be the place for you. Prices here range from $125,000 for a little cabin up to $1.75 million for a big, beautiful home with some acreage, with some views on the water, all that good stuff. The median price is $487,000. So not bad to enjoy all the beauty of this area. So what do you guys think? Is this the peaceful North Idaho you've been looking for? The picturesque lakes and river running through it? If you guys like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. That way you'll be notified of all my videos when they come out. I'm putting out new videos every week showcasing the whole area of North Idaho. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.